Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. Today I wanted to tell you about connection of contrast. I am Rafli Iqbal Ainurofik, absent 30, and my friend is Arsalan Mufli, absent 4.
Definition: Connector of contrast is a conjunction that connects two English sentences that are contradictory. This means that the relationship between the first sentence and the two is different or opposite in nature.
Jadi, connector of contrast adalah konjungsi yang menghubungkan dua kalimat bahasa Inggris yang bersifat kontra. Artinya, hubungan antara kalimat pertama dengan kedua sifatnya berbeda atau berlawanan. Hal ini memiliki sifat sebab dan akibat. This is list of the connectors of contrast. 1. However. 2. On the other hand. 3. On the contrary. 4. Nevertheless. 5. Though. 6. Although. 7. Even though. 8. Despite. 9. But. And 10. Otherwise. However, used to indicate contrast or contradiction. The formula is however plus subject plus verb. For example, 1. We all tried our best, however we lost the game. 2. Jason wants to play football, however his injury kept him on the sidelines.
However, digunakan untuk menunjukkan kontras atau kontradiksi. Kami semua mencoba yang terbaik, namun kami kalah dalam pertandingan tersebut. Jason ingin bermain sepak bola, namun cederanya membuat ia berada di pinggir lapangan. On the other hand, use it to say something that is different from the first thing mentioned. Subject plus noun plus on the other hand. Example 1. Nuclear power is relative cheap. On the other hand, you could argue that it's not safe. 2. The music industry is very popular. On the other hand, needs a mass audience to hype.
On the other hand, digunakan untuk mengatakan sesuatu yang berbeda dari hal yang pertama dikatakan. Rumusnya, subjek ditambah noun ditambah on the other hand. Contohnya yang pertama, kekuatan nuklir sangatlah murah, tapi di samping itu kamu gak bakal setuju kalau ini sangatlah aman. Yang kedua, musik industri sangatlah populer, tapi di samping itu kamu perlu sebuah masa yang sangat besar untuk menikmatinya. On the contrary, an idea that is the opposite of what has been stated previously. The formula is on the contrary plus subject plus verb. For example, 1. They do not reject modernity completely. On the contrary, they embrace the modern world. You think you are clever. On the contrary, I assure you that you are very foolish. On the contrary, digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu pikiran atau perasaan yang merupakan kebalikan dari apa yang baru saja dimulai. Yang pertama, mereka tidak menolak kemajuan. Sebaliknya, mereka malu akan kemajuan tersebut. Yang kedua, kamu pikir kamu pintar. Sebaliknya, saya yakin bahwa kamu sangatlah bodoh.
Nevertheless, use it to say something which contrasts with what has just been said. Subject plus noun plus nevertheless. Example 1. He was very tired. Nevertheless, he went on walking. 2. The math test was very difficult. Nevertheless, she earned a good grade. Nevertheless, digunakan untuk mengatakan sesuatu yang kontras dengan apa yang baru saja dikatakan. Dia sangat lelah, namun dia terus berjalan. Ujian matematikanya sangat sulit, namun dia mendapatkan nilai bagus.
Though, used to show that two ideas are opposing one another. The formula is subject plus verb or noun plus though. For example, 1. She looked at them as though they had betrayed her. 2. My house was not empty, though I was gone. Talk digunakan untuk menunjukkan bahwa dua gagasan saling bertentangan. Pertama, dia memandang mereka seolah-olah mereka telah mengkhianatinya. Yang kedua, rumahku tidak kosong meskipun aku sudah pergi.
I'll talk. I'll talk is used for introducing a new statement that makes main statement surprising. Subject plus verb atau noun plus I'll talk. Example 1. She walked home by herself. I'll talk. She knew that it was dangerous. 2. She was solid. I'll talk. Tiny. I'll talk digunakan untuk memperkenalkan pernyataan baru yang membuat pernyataan utama atau mengejutkan. Dia berjalan pulang sendirian, meskipun dia tahu itu berbahaya. Dia kokoh, meski kecil.
Even though means despite the fact that and is a more emphatic version of though and although. The formula is subject plus verb plus even though. For example, she loved him even though she still loves him. I respect him even though I often disagree with him. Even though memiliki arti meskipun dan merupakan versi yang lebih tegas dari though dan although. Contohnya yang pertama, dia meninggalkannya meskipun dia masih mencintainya. Yang kedua, aku menghormatinya meskipun aku tidak setuju dengannya.
Despite, used to link to contrasting ideas or show that one fact makes the other fact surprising. Despite plus noun. Example 1. He was able to lead a normal life despite the illness. 2. She looked lovely despite her strange apparel. Despite digunakan untuk menghubungkan dua gagasan yang kontras atau menunjukkan bahwa satu fakta membuat fakta lainnya mengejutkan. Dia mampu menjalani kehidupan normal meski sakit. Dia tampak cantik meskipun pakaiannya aneh.
But used to add a statement which are different from what you have said before. The formula is subject plus noun plus but. Example is an old car but is very reliable. 2. I like basketball but I don't like baseball. But digunakan untuk menambahkan pernyataan yang berbeda dari apa yang telah Anda katakan sebelumnya. Pertama, itu adalah mobil tua, tetapi itu sangat dapat diandalkan. Yang kedua, aku suka basket, tetapi aku tidak suka baseball.
Language features, statements, sentences, and questions are related to the relationship of opposites and opposites. Pronunciation, word stress, intonation, spelling, punctuation, and handwriting.